Everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful skirt. It's very easy to make. It's beginners friendly. This is our DIY Thursday. Remember guys, I said every Thursday is going to be for DIYs, while Sunday's video is just going to be normal tutorial videos. Okay, so today we'll be doing this beautiful, easy to make DIY skirt. Using my old jean trousers to make this beautiful outfit that you see right here. So if you have an old jean, don't throw it away. You can actually transform it to something beautiful that you'll be able to use for a year or two. Okay guys, before we start our tutorial, I want to say thank you to all our subscribers. I want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are really amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you, and come along and let's begin. For this tutorial, I'll be using this jean and a leftover fabric that I have. So you take your jean trouser, and the reason why I'm using it, it was bad and I decided to just use it instead of throwing it away. Okay, so if you have something that is a jean that is okay on the upper side and you can still reuse it, why throw it away when you can make something out of it? Okay, so it's a recycle and reusable material. So what you are going to do now is fold the fabric into two, fold your jean into two, and you are going to take your tape and take your measurement. So because the jean is high-waisted, I'm going to just measure like 6 to 7 inches downward. Then from there, I will take my ruler and slant it to the crotch area. Okay, so just do the same thing for yours. Slant it to the crotch area, and whatever you have, use your scissors to cut it out. So I'll be using my zigzag scissors to just cut out the bottom part, and after cutting it out, this is what I have. So this bottom part now, I will keep it for something else. So this is what we have, and can you see it? So we've gotten the upper part of our skirt, and what you are going to do next is you are now going to take your piece of fabric. So you can still use the bottom part of the jean to make this same style. It's just that it's going to be shorter instead of longer than the way mine was. So if you have any piece of fabric, you do gathers on it, hem the bottom, and you attach it to your skirt, the upper part of the skirt. So I'm going to gather it, hem the bottom, and show you what to do next. So this is it after gathering it, and you are going to take your measurement to figure out the total measurement you'll be using for it. Okay, so first is you take the measurement of the length. So if the length is okay by you, you continue. If it's not okay, you can also cut it out. Either you cut it on the bottom or you cut it on the upper part. Okay, so take your measurement. You can use your waist to round above knee for your measurement. So once you are done, you take the measurement of the upper part of the skirt. When you are done taking the measurement of the upper part of the skirt, whatever you have is what you gather the bottom part to. So I had like 42 inches. So I ended up gathering the bottom part to 42 inches. So that is basically what you do. So do exactly what I'm doing for yours. So just take your tape, measure it round, and do the same thing for the gather fabric, and that is what you are going to now use to join it. So if you've not joined the side of the gathered fabric, you can join it after you are done taking the measurement or before you are done taking the measurement. So it all depends on you. When you are done, take the upper part and attach it to the bottom part. So you can either do it by just joining it underneath together, or you put the fabric under the jean Okay, so that was what I did for mine. I put the fabric under the jean, or you can do it front side facing front side and just stitch it round. So it all depends on your preferences. I wanted the jean to show on top of it, not to be joined together. Okay, so that was why I pin it underneath the jean instead of front side facing front side. Okay, like we normally do when joining upper part of our fabric to the bottom part of our fabric. So just pin it round. After you are done pinning it round, you stitch it up. I'm going to show you how it looks after I'm done stitching. This is the inside after stitching. So you can use your interlocking machine to just lock the edges. Then when you are done, you turn it over, flip it over, and this is how it looks after stitching. Can you see it? So this is how it's going to be when you are done stitching it. Okay, so if you have jean and you don't know what to do with it, this is just something simple that you can just make, and you can wear it to wherever you want to go. You can make it shorter. It depends on the occasion. Okay, so if you want to go to some places that you require short dresses, you can make it shorter. But if you want it to be long, you can do the same. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. God bless you.